Alright guys, so I welcome you to another part of our text tools in Adobe Photoshop Beginner Guide to Advanced. And in this class, I'm going to show you some other type tools in Adobe Photoshop. So I'm going to hide this layout. So then I'll go to my tools bar right here. I will right click on the type tool. Now I will select my vertical type. Now, when you select your vertical type, you can see the difference is very much clear. It's not like when you select your horizontal. This is simply means that by the time you start to type, it's going to come down below. Now, let's say for instance, I'm trying to type Excel. Oh, sorry. So my vertical type tool. And then I'll come here and make a new layer. Then having make a new layer, you can see even the alignment, everything change to vertical format. Now, if I come here and make a type, let's say I'm trying to type Excel, we'll see. Got it. So, graphics. Then I select my move tool and I drag this one here like this. Now you can see Excel graphics. So this is how everything type right there. This is how vertical type tools work. So I go back to my vertical type tool and I select this again, and I try to work around with format right here. So you can see, let's say for instance, I try to select this and press enter key on my keyboard. It's going to take this to another line. So let's say Excel graphics and okay, Excel graphics, then enter again, and multimedia. So I try to select my move tool. So let me move it to center so we can see everything right here. Now, if I go back to my vertical type and I select this and I press enter key on my keyboard, it takes the text to another point, something like this. So you can see, and if I select this and I have it move in a vertical way. All right, so I'll go back to my this and try to close this gap. Very good. So everything move together. So Excel graphics and multimedia. It's just that most times this type of text format is not work and people don't use it most time. But in some cases, let's say you are trying to type. Okay, let me go back to the type tools and I will type angel. Angel. Okay, and I'll click on pictures. Now, let's say I'm trying to say angel for okay, then I will make a new layer. Then I will go back to right click. I'll select my horizontal type tools now. So I can say angel A for apple, right? And I place it right here. Then I can press hotkey on my keyboard and make a duplicate, and I can call this N for nice. Control A, right? Then move to, so I can make a duplicate again. Then I can call J for growth. Growth. I can make a duplicate again. Can say E for egg. Then my move tool. Can make a duplicate again. So I can say L for leg. Okay, so I think this is the only way by which you can make use of this type of text tools and enjoying it. So what I try to do here is that I try to combine vertical type tools and horizontal type tools all together to form something like this. So that is what I'm trying to, that is the example I'm trying to create right here. So I think I'm having an issue here. So I think I'll delete this. So L for leg. All right, so anyway, so we can group all the layers, Ctrl J, and going to hide it straight away. Now, one other thing I'm going to use is that we can go back to our text tools here, right click, and now we can make use of a vertical type mask. When you select vertical type mask, you see it's going to make it, look at it, let's say Excel, and I click on move to. So Ctrl T to open a transform tools, and Ctrl D. So sorry for the mistake. So what is it? So vertical type mask. So I'll come here, I'll change the font size to, let me see, 72. Then I'll make a type. So Excel. Then I'll select my move tool now. Now, having made a type like this, so what I will do next is that I'll select my paint bucket tool. Then I will come here, I will make a new layer. So when you make a new layer, then you can just drop the stuff like that. Then you come back to your toolbar, select your move tool, and you have to go back to your home tab, go to select and choose deselect. Now you have your text, so you can drag it like this. It's not even, the text is not even complete. So anyway, that is how you make use of your layer type mask. And for vertical, let me delete it. So let's take a look at how you make use of. Right click and select your horizontal layer type mask. Now we can increase the font size here. Then I can change the font type to bold now. So then I can change the font type to this. Then I'll make a type. So Excel, and I'll click on this. Now you have it this way. So now what I'm going to do next is that I'll go to my paint bucket tool. Then I'll come here, I'll make a new layer. Then you just draw. Very good. Then you have to go to your tools home tab here. You click on select and choose deselect. So with that, we can go back to our pick tools and select our move tool. Then you have your type. But in most cases, we don't use all these type tools in Photoshop. So I'm just trying to make sure that we are able to touch every area you need to know about text tools. And this is where we end up with our text tools segment in our Adobe Photoshop beginner class to advanced. And I hope you guys learn one or two things in our text tools in Adobe Photoshop beginner to advanced class. And I hope to see you guys in the next video. So thank you for watching, and I see you soon.